Yeah, you know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. Hey, look.
Hey you guys, your girl, let's begin, and I am going to be showing you the difference between melted hairlines Rafaella and also melted hairlines Antonella, because I know everybody wants to know the difference. They have the same cap construction. I do see that it says Antonella is shorter and it is layered and it is curly. I'm going to do side by side, showing you what both look like. This is what both of the hairlines look like straight out of the pack. I did notice with Rafaella that there was like a little malfunction by the parting area where the tracks are. I did not like that. Antonella was perfect. And I'm just showing you the side by side. And then I did pluck them different. For Rafaella, I did do the widow's peak look. I just did a regular hairline for Antonella, and this is how they both turned out. I did forget to do the after results for Antonella, but that is what they both look like once I had them both installed. This is Rafaella when she is melted for 24 hours, and I'm going to start with her. I love her. Okay, she is a badass bitch. I don't care, you language police. She is a badass bitch. She is perfect for vacation. She is perfect for any special occasion. This is actually me after me having her for 3 days or maybe even 4. She is easy to detangle. She is so soft, you guys. I was surprised with this unit. I thought it would have been tangled even more. This is how I was maintaining it, to make sure that I gave it like that exotic wet look. I will let you know that it is wavy and it does blend real well to the skin once you do blend it. I love her. Next, we're going to move on to Antonella. Now, child, I know y'all going to be like, oh, she is so pretty. She is so fire. Honey, the top tangles so bad. That's why I had to put it in like these 2 little braids and tie it to the back. I did notice that it is shorter and curlier versus Rafaella. I would suggest getting Rafaella. Just pay the extra $2. Rafaella gives you more bang for your buck, and so it doesn't look. But until next time, I will see you guys. Deuces, y'all.